Welcome to the episode, guys. Today we're going to install canards and a front lip and a few other goodies. So let's do this. Alright, so today we're going to be working on this Scion TC. You're going to want to take the bumper off. It's going to be a lot easier. If you have tow hooks, fog lights, underguards, go ahead and take them off. It's just going to make your life 10 times easier. Let's do this. Let's start by removing the 5 plastic bumper fasteners located under your hood. A total of 5 of them, okay? If you're running a quick release setup, remember to disconnect your fog lights. I'm currently not running any splash guards underneath, so I don't have to worry about removing them, but you will if you have them. Grab your flathead screwdriver to pry the fasteners loose. Just pry them up a little bit, they pop up pretty easily. Also, if you're running a tow hook or a tow strap, it's going to need to come off. Once all this is done, you can gently pull on your bumper one side at a time. It's easier when you actually use both hands. Once your bumper is off, it should start looking a little like this. At this point, it's a good idea to wash your bumper. No one likes working on a dirty car. Find a spot to work on your bumper that won't hurt your back or your knees and has plenty of light. Here's what you're going to need. Painter's tape, a measuring tape, a drill to make the holes, drill bits, a Sharpie, Phillips head screwdriver, or maybe your kit uses a Phillips, the hardware for the canards, and last but not least, the canards. Also, I use this magnetic plate to keep all my bolts in place. Otherwise, if I drop them, you can lose a lot of time looking for them, and in my case, it'd be really hard. Awesome. Now, once you've marked out the tape and measured twice, you're going to want to mark those down. Remember, measure twice, cut once, then you do the same thing for the other side. And at this point, you can start assembling the hardware. There's 2 sets of bolts. There's a longer bolt and a shorter bolt. It's just easy to be organized, keep it all set up so you know that you have every single bolt. The long bolt goes from your canard hardware into your bumper. The shorter bolt goes on the canard onto the hardware bracket. So that's kind of how that works for this system. You can go ahead and start looking for the right drill bit to make the hole. Remember, you don't want to make it too big where it's super loose. You just want to make it just right. So go ahead and choose the correct size of drill bit. All right, moment of no return. No turning back now. Long bolt goes in the bottom, through the bumper onto the other side. You put the washer and the nut. Keep it all in place. And once again, you just repeat this for the other side. Once you got both sides done, it should look a little like this. Remember, measure twice, guys. Don't screw this up. And like I said, this is a generic canard setup. It's fairly cheap, so there will be a little bit of a gap. I'm actually thinking about cutting into my bumper so that I can push the canard into the bumper to get rid of that gap. At this point, you can find the next spot for the upper canard. And once again, the same thing, measure twice, cut once. Take your time, guys. Take your time. I cannot stress that enough. It should look a little like this once you're done. All right, guys, and that's how you do the canards. And then the end result should be something kind of like this. Guys, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And, you're here. If you're here, look at these videos. I just chose these for you. And you want to watch them. Just watch them. They're cool.